What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. We're doing the 3-spot random and the free box of 2021 Series 1 retail. Let's see right there. You got Matthew being a sarcastic. We'll just leave it at that. We'll go live here. Live at 344. It's 344. We're going both lists 3 times. So this is for the box. Everybody gets a chance at this. 1, 2, 3. Dennis. Dennis, you get the free box. Congrats, man. 3 times. Oops. 3 times. So Dennis gets the box of Series 1 retail. And for the $50 giveaway, 1, 2, 3. Kyle. I love that. Stole it right from Keith and Exley. Couldn't have been any better. So done. Done at 3:45. There you go, guys.